In a small village, a young man's life was slipping away. At just 20, his body was weak and his dreams were fading. Doctors said he lacked vitamins and protein, but a wise elder saw the truth. The boy was trapped in a harmful habit, one that drained his energy, clouded his mind, and stole his focus. At first, he denied it, but when his father spoke from the heart, he saw the pain in his eyes. "This habit will steal everything from you," the father said. "You still have the power to change." The father took him to a saint, a man of discipline and self-control. The saint pointed to a small plant. "Pull it out," he said. The boy did it with ease. Then a larger plant. This took effort, but he managed. Finally, a great tree. The boy pulled with all his strength, but it didn't move. "Habits are like plants," the saint said. "When they're small, you can remove them easily. But if you let them grow deep roots, they will control you. No matter how far you've fallen, you can choose today to start again. Uproot your bad habits early, or it will uproot you. Protect your energy, your mind, your future." This is Peak Edge Men, sharpening every edge so you lead with power. Subscribe, and let's build your edge together.